punches, kicks, chokeholds, unruly acts of violence in almost any civil environment, actions that usually render punishment, but not if you are taking part in the increasingly popular sport of mixed martial arts, or MMA.
Basically, it is a combination of boxing, kickboxing, freestyle, and Roman Greco wrestling. Judo plays a part in it, and what they call Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu.
Professional MMA fighter and trainer Kyle Bradley says that his involvement in MMA came when high school football led to a dead end.
I played football in high school, and after football, I didn't have anything else to do, like, keep myself competitive. So I started boxing, and eventually got bored with it and started doing the wrestling and the jiu-jitsu, and one thing led to another, and I started doing MMA.
Derek Hood participates in the sport for reasons other than staying competitive.
One, I just want to get into shape. I was overweight at the time. Keeps me moving, keeps me agile.
According to MMAFacts.com, between 2004 and 2006, gross revenue of MMA's Ultimate Fight Championship pay-per-view events increased from 47 to 424%, making mixed martial arts one of the fastest growing sports in America. For Tiger TV, I'm Haley Lawrence.